Hello guys. So today we are again in our posting, clinical posting. As you can see, say hi to my video. Say hi, Anu. Hi. And we are group. We are 5-member group, and this is where we have came. Actually, the sanitation in this area is very poor, and she is teaching me some Telugu to communicate with our patients.
And then what you want to
So,
learn? What you want to learn from us?
what is it means? I want to tell.
Arun sir said you cross the border, I cross the limit.
What is that, Arun sir? Our Arun sir said.
Arun sir said you cross the border, I cross the limits.
Oh my God, our Arun sir is so serious. So actually, what I wanted to learn is like, we want your 2 minutes so that we can know about your health condition, like that I want to say. So tell, first line, what is it in English?
So,
No, in English first.
in English, I want to talk in 2 minutes.
I want to
We are
requesting
We
2
are the
minutes.
students of nursing. We want to talk with you about your health condition and all. So that should you have to ask to that community people. Like what means? నేను నర్సింగ్ చదువుతున్నాను. నేను నర్సింగ్ చదువుతున్నాను. మీ హెల్త్ గురించి నాకు కొంచెం చెప్పండి.
Okay. Let's go that side now.
Where? Which side? You are roaming everywhere.
Because that side is main road, no? We can't go. That is.
we cross the border, he's crossed the limits.
Arun sir will come. Let's go to this side.
Our limit. Yeah.
At least we have to spend one hour, okay? We can't sit from an hour. Hey, these guys want to sit now.
Yeah, we are tired.
Oh my God. We came by bus, okay? Don't come. I will tell now.
And you are
I will-
having umbrella also when you are
I will tell now. మీతో నేను 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడచ్చా మీతో నేను 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడచ్చా. Then I am not prepared for that. They have to say yes for me. Then I am nursing student. నేను నర్సింగ్ చదువుతున్నాను.
నాకు మీ హెల్త్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
నాకు
మీ
మీ హెల్త్ గురించి చెప్పండి. Okay. Bye guys. I'm gonna show you something more later.